A warm welcome to you all. Without further delay, we are pleased to introduce your new manager.
Thank you all for joining us. We'll start taking questions now. Okay, I think that's everything.
Action today, and there's a lot to fight for, with every point gained so crucial to their chances of success. As it always is in this league, every moment matters. Hello and welcome from the King Power Stadium in the heart of England. I'm Guy Mo. And the first save of the game is just how great instinct there to cut it out. And that was made easy for the goalkeeper.
The play, great offside lines and work hard. He's the all-round striker.
Now to deliver a good ball in. They're in here. And it's set. What a chance here. And they've scored to take a lead that's more than warranted. And they're back underway at 1-0. Played into the box. Chance to score. And there's the equaliser. The advantage was not held for long. That's a good ball. Decent chance. one of the other games.
It's a goal for Coventry City. The score's level again now at 1-1 with 35 minutes played.
Thanks to Alex for the update. Oh, a great chance. Good save, and look where it's gone.
Minimum of 1 minute of added time.
Having a try. And the first 45 minutes have come and gone. Lovely, incisive ball. Onto it, in on goal. A wonderful chance, but he's failed to take it. A heroic stop. It's keeper's ball. The cross maybe mishit. Next goal. Winks. Well, the effort never really looked like troubling the goalkeeper at all. It's looking good, but ultimately nothing doing. Now there could be an opportunity to counter. This to see them lead. It was a glorious chance, offside or not. That's a glaring miss.
Well, he'll certainly be pleased to see the flag go up there, because that was a poor miss.
More or less, next goal wins time. Could this be it? Well, football here, that's a coach's dream. Goes on past the defender. What a chance! Well, in that sort of position, you simply have to get it closer than he did there. Winks. Decent chance. Shall not pass. Now, what can they do from here? Bobby de Cordova-Reid having a look, and it's kept out. They've got their keeper to thank for still being level.
Well, how important will that save be? That's a great piece of goalkeeping.
Oh, he put his head to it, but he's... And the attack collapses. And that is the final whistle. Well, nothing to split the two sides, and the points are shared.
Can I ask you a couple of questions?